Hi, I'm Rottem. I'm an interior designer and project manager with Green Bay. We are here in this beautiful project of a master bathroom remodel. You can see this beautiful work that came up, and also some other things that we did in the house is the master bedroom. We did shiplap covering for the ceiling that you're gonna see right now, and we did also some cosmetic changes to the kitchen, such as the countertop and the backsplash. Beautiful work with beautiful stones that are installed over there as well. You're gonna see over here as well this beautiful bathroom with the amazing tiles that we picked very, very carefully, with this kind of beachy vibe that you can see from the stones and the colors that we picked in here. The project was very great. Of course, we had some hiccups in between the things, but we of course solved them right away. That's all what we do. That's all what we about. At the end of the day, I'm happy to show you this beautiful design and management for this beautiful project. Tell me what you think.